Just possibly help me out there. You're giving a couple people a shout out. Tell them to watch the whole video. Let it sober them up a little bit. Don't be afraid what they're going to say. You watch this stuff every day. Even you lens flare hunters, you watch it. Even you trolls, you keep coming back and give me thumbs down. So this is real footage. Shout it out. Shout it up to 5 people. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Help me out. Break the AI shadow banning. And it's doing good. We're getting away from it right now. Keep watching. This is part 2 of narrating this. I just showed you a bunch of still shots, and I actually think this thing opens up like a satellite, kind of like a satellite dish. Can you picture that? And, the bottom part is like a baluster of a light bulb, fluorescent light bulb, but on a halogen light, they use a power source. I don't understand it. I'm not an electrician, but they use a power source to build the power up like a baluster, and then it begins to light the halogen light. And I think it's one big halogen light. In the middle there, that black area, you've seen it, that blue area I marked out. Now the forensic tool, all I'm really doing is seeing how close I could get to it and if I could find some kind of markings, but I do believe this is Earth technology. Now that big cloud, it's kind of freaky, right? I'm not saying it's anything, but it sure looks like a spacecraft carrier, an aircraft carrier, spacecraft carrier. Now see how that thing's in a V? Well, it actually, I think the panels open up, the black panels go boop, 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 opens up, and then the bottom part begins to glow, as we've seen in the video, and then, boom, the light comes on, you see that big, like, beam going up and down. So right now it's going across the horizon and going to go up into the atmosphere. As it turns bluer, you'll see it goes up into space. And now the four blue, and the four red panels we've been seeing when you take a picture of the sun, you see it every time. That tells you that what you're seeing is a sun simulator, because I used to never get those red panels. But look at that thing. It's just as clear as day on this forensic tool. And you got to love this forensic tool. I've already blown that picture up like 1,000 times. The forensic tool just brings it in another 300 times. So you can really see what it is. It's basically a flying light bulb, people. That's how big this technology gets. They just took a street light technology and turned it into a big giant sun. And I don't know when those panels come out if it actually begins to spin, but I would say, because I've seen the black dot spin, I would say it probably does spin and throws out an array of light. We've seen those halos with the four, like sundogs, and I've seen double ones. Was there 2 of these in the area? Now in this shot right here, I think they're actually just testing it, and the ISS is watching to make sure everything goes good, and then it just takes off into space. Well, probably just hyperspace. It probably sonic flew to the other side of the globe, to where it needs to hide the planets, or it needs to hide a spacecraft, or it needs to hide an asteroid, right? So that's my take on it. It's not pure science. It's just my speculation. I'm not the expert on this stuff. I didn't go to school for a physicist, and I don't work on the ISS. So here we go. This is my take right here. So watch. I'm going to show you how it looks like it's just, it fans out. The bottom's a baluster, and it turns on. Pretty simple, right? In the middle's a light bulb. And then you got fake sun. So is the sun still lit? I think Dr. Claudia Albers says no, it's turned off. And after watching this, and the ISS watching this, and this being found by Israel Anderson, go check out his channel and his website. Great guy. He's like me. He's never done this before, so he's trying to make a channel. Anyways, thought you guys would like this. Next video, I found the asteroid from what I think they were talking about, Valentine's Day hitting the Earth. And I want to show you that one next, all right? So I'll give you a little sneak peek of the asteroid, and talk to you later. God bless. Thanks for coming to this video. Shout it out to at least 5 people. Show them what's going on. Talk to them about it, and tell them not to freak out. Wake up. God bless. Got Jesus today? You're going to need him. Showing you real truth here. You're going to need him. Nobody believes in the sun simulator. I just showed you the sun simulator driving over and parking and turning on. And thanks to Israel Anderson that he actually was brave enough to put this up. This might shut me down. If it does, go to Ko-Fi. Ko-Fi TV channel. It's been up for over a year. It's established, but I don't have anything on it yet. But I will.